students, have a look. This is your new syllabus, model syllabus 21-22, semester 1. Previously, you used to read 4 subjects: AECC, Core Course 1, Core Course 2, G Paper 1. And this year, another chapter has been added. The total marks is 25, that is ethics and values. In second semester also, you have to read ethics and values of 25 marks. Besides AECC, that is MIL Odia, C Core Course 3, Core Course 4, G subject, of each paper consisting of 100 marks. With ethics and values, it comes to 425. In semester 3, previously used to read 500 marks, but this year the students who have joined in the first semester, they have to read 525 marks, that is Core 5, Core 6, Core 7 consisting 100 marks each, G subject 2 consisting of 100 marks, and SEC Communicative English special course, for which we are going to provide you book free of cost from the institution, sponsored by OEP or Odisha Higher Education Program for Excellence and Equality. That book will be provided to you free of cost. Just I will show you that book. This is the book. This book will be provided to you free of cost. Besides that, ethics and values course will be taught to you, which will consist 25 marks. In fourth semester, the previous batch students, they used to read 500 marks, including Core Course 8, 9, 10, GE syllabus, Paper 2, SEC. Again, this is a special course. SEC 2, Quantitative Aptitude and Logical Thinking. This book will also be provided to you free of cost. I will show you this book. See this book. This is Skill Enhancement Course 2, that is special course, Quantitative and Logical Thinking. And in this course, you will be taught with the reasoning, quantitative aptitude, etc., which will be helpful to you for your competitive examinations. This is the course. You can have a glimpses. These type of courses will be taught to you, which will be very helpful to you in your coming days when you will appear the competitive examinations. In fifth semester, previously you used to read 400 marks, Core 11, Core 12, DSC 1 and DSC 2. DSC 1 is discipline specific elective. DSC 2 is also discipline specific elective, means the honors you are reading or you have opted, you will read the generic elective or special elective, discipline specific elective. Or suppose a political science student will read DSC in political science only, or history students will read history G, economics students will read economics G. In the same way, the science students will also read discipline specific elective course according to their subject. Finally, it is sixth semester. In sixth semester, you used to read 1, 2, 3, 400 marks, and this year the students who have joined in the first semester, they have to read 425 marks, that is ethics and values consisting 25 marks. Semester also, they will have to read ethics and values 25 marks. So this is for your information, and more and more videos will be posted into this group, this YouTube channel, that is Ma Marcoma +3 College. I request each and every to follow, subscribe, like and share the channel. And also I would like to request all the students to touch the bell icon so that all the videos we are posting can reach you fast. Thank you.